What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? So it's currently 8:16 p.m. It's Sunday night. The market is currently open. Um, I ain't even finna discuss price right now, but today I really wanted to go over how I journal my trades. I know as a beginner trader, it's kind of easier to have a idea of how or what you should include in your trading journal or how you should have it set up or organized. So I'm gonna be going over that. Before I started using the platform I am now for my trading journal, I was using Google Sheets. I be wanting to say Google Forms so bad, but it's Google Sheets. You can start off with that, but I be wanting to write more, and I just be wanting to be a little more organized with how I set my journal up. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. All right, y'all. So when it comes to journaling my trades, I use a platform named Trade Review. Um, with this, it has you sign up and it has you put in all of these basically all this information about what you trade and your capital, how much you have in your in your brokerage account, or how much capital you have to trade with, all of that. I wasn't really looking for a platform with all of those gems, so I really just went straight to the journal section. So I have my strategy over here in one tab. Basically, I just have it, and then fair value gap fills and false breaks. And basically, I just have my rules set on here. Identify the trend, market the previous day higher, previous day low at the right time, and of course, identify any hour gaps or false breaks at those high or low levels, and align it with time. And just look for a sell or buy. So on Friday, when I took that paper trade, I journaled that entry, and that was my first time actually incorporating this platform. So what I do is I come on here and I note down the day I took the trade, the pair, the trade type, confirmation, the P&L, win or loss, follow my rules, and then any notes I wanted to write down. And I just put this as well. I was gonna put this close TP1. I was gonna put that on my confirmation as well. I put my strategy as well at the top, just so I know my strategy I went by. Although I already do have it notated in the strategy tab, I just wanted to start it out like that. Of course, that's optional. It was the 16th of January when I took this trade at 10 a.m. The pair was NOS 100. The trade type, that's where you'll put buyer, sell, or calls or puts, however you want to go about it. And then I put my confirmation. So this is where you'll just put what confirmed this trade. What made you feel like this trade was gonna go your way? Basically, what signals was the market giving you to enter this position? My confirmation was a false break at the previous day low, the timing alignment at 10 a.m., and then a trend alignment as well. And then P&L, which is your profit and loss. My profit was 51.29, and profit $0 loss because I broke even. Was it a win or a loss? It was a win. Did you follow your rules? Yes, I did. It was at 10 a.m. It aligned with my timing. It aligned with the New York session. New York session opened at that. It was a false break signal at the previous day low, and then it was aligned with the trend. So yes, I did follow my rules. And then any notes, this is where you would put in anything you struggle with or anything you noticed in price, anything that might have been a little off or a little unusual in price, anything new you noticed, anything. And then close TP1. This is take profit 1. Close at take profit 1 at the agent session low, and then at a big figure level as well. And that's basically all that it consists of. And then I'll basically be putting the same exact thing every single day. So basically incorporating a trading journal to however often you get on the charts. even if it's a couple of days out of the week, is very important just because long term, if you are trying to be profitable, which, of course, hopefully that's the goal if you are coming to the charts every other day. But, if that is the goal, it's very beneficial to your everyday routine when it does come to hopping on the charts, because when you do come on here, basically just give you something to kind of just reflect on. So even if you get stuck one day, you can go back to your notes and be like, okay, this can be a signal if price is gonna go this way or that way, or I could look here to see if price is gonna react this way. Always a good thing to incorporate that, and also just get you prepared on just how price action might react at a certain time or market structure within a certain pair. It's very, very, very beneficial. And a big thing I'm trying to really pay attention to, especially because I am trying to, my goal right now is really just to start a live account, but I don't want to rush into that. So with journaling these trades, it'll kind of keep me on track with what my P&L is on a daily. Am I incorporating and following my rules every single day, especially incorporating my strategy with am I finding my niche with my strategy? Am I getting better at it every single day? Or I won't even say that. Am I progressing every day? Am I learning something every day? I feel like this is one of the most important things you can do when it comes to just studying and just keeping a note and a track record of what you do and how you interpret the charts on a daily. So yeah, it's gonna consist of this video. That's how I journal my trades, and I'm gonna incorporate that going into this week as well. And